So in this video I'm going to terminate Ethernet cable. I want to come up with a crossover cable. So what I do, I pick my Ethernet cable after removing the blue coating covering the wires inside. So now this is how my wires are in. So I'm going to organize it to make sure that one side of the wire has to be having standard B and the other side of the wire has to be organized to standard A. So I'm starting with this side. I'm going to organize this side and it is on the side of standard A. So with standard A, we start with a white green. Is white green, followed by green, this one, followed by white orange, followed by blue, like this, and followed by white blue, like this, followed by orange, then lastly we put white brown, and lastly brown, like this. So after this, I pick my RJ45. I measure and I pick my scissor. After confirming what I'm going to cut from this, I cut it like this. So after this, I pick my RJ45 like this and I push it inside like this. I check all the wires are inside. After that, I pick my clipping tool. I push, I put it, I press it. So after pressing, it now comes like this. So I do the same to other side also. This side I've terminated it using standard A. Now this one I'm going to terminate it to standard B, and it comes out with a crossover. So now after organizing and after organizing it here, because this one I'm making a crossover Ethernet cable. So this one is now for standard B. You see white orange, then we have white orange, and we have here white green, come off with the blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, then brown. Then after I pick my RJ like this, put it, I push it. After that, I pick my clipping tool, I push it inside, I brush, and after I pick it, so it's up here. This side I terminate it at using standard B. This one, that's the standard A, standard A. So this is how my cable for a crossover looks like. Thank you so much, madam. So in this video, I'm going to terminate a straight through Ethernet cable. So I have you already my Ethernet cable, so I'm going to organize it in the standard way. So I'm taking class B. So I start with white orange, followed by orange, followed by white green, white green, followed by blue, another one followed by white blue, like this. So next one is followed by green, like this, followed by white brown. Next one is followed by brown, like this. Straight. So I measure it like this, and I mark where I will cut it from. After finishing to align it like this, I confirm white, blue, white, orange, orange, white, green. Then I come to blue, white, blue, green, then white, brown, and brown. So after that, after organizing it like this and identifying my place where I'm going to cut, I pick my scissor, I cut it straight like this. So after this, I put now my RJ 47, put it like this, then I push it. After pushing, I check it from this side that it has entered. So after this, I pick my clipping tool, this, then I put something, I press it. Like this. Now my thing is already squeezed in. So after squeezing, this is how one part of the cable looks like. Now I'm going to straighten up this one also, and I put RJ 47. fitting these wires, how to make them straight. This one I'm making a straight through cable like this. Make them straight with a straight through cable. How to make sure that since I used the standard B the other side, so I have to do the same for this one also. How to make it standard B straight. So now here I do the same process. Start with white orange, followed by orange, followed by white green like this. Next to is blue. Then the other one is white blue, followed by green, green, like this, straight, then followed by white, then by white brown, then lastly is brown like this. So from here, to make sure that is straight, then I confirm, white orange, white green, blue, white blue, followed by green, and followed by white brown and brown. So here also I pick my LRJ 45. I put it like this. I push it. So after pushing, I check it's okay now. Then I get my clipping tool, this one. So I put it inside here. I press it. So it is now okay. So this how I've terminated my straight through cable. It's now okay. Thank you so much.